Paramount Plus Error Code 3005. Causes and fixes. What is Error Code 3005 on Paramount Plus? Error 3005 on Paramount Plus typically indicates a streaming issue, often caused by network problems, device compatibility issues, or app malfunctions. It prevents content from playing and may appear as a loading error, buffering issue, or failure to start a stream. Common causes of Error Code 3005. Poor internet connection, unstable or slow internet can interrupt streaming. Outdated app or browser. Running an older version of Paramount Plus can trigger errors. Corrupted cache or cookies. Stored data may interfere with playback. Server issues. Temporary outages on Paramount Plus servers can cause disruptions. Incompatible devices. Some devices may not support the latest app updates. How to fix Error Code 3005 on Paramount Plus. 1. Check internet connection. Ensure minimum 4 megabits per second for HD streaming and 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Restart your Wi-Fi router and try using a wired connection for stability. Test streaming on another device to rule out connection problems. 2. Restart the Paramount Plus app and device. Close and reopen the Paramount Plus app or reload the browser tab. Restart your smart TV streaming device or mobile device. 3. Clear cache and cookies. For browser users, go to your browser settings and clear cache, cookies, and site data. Restart your browser and log back into Paramount Plus. 4. Update the Paramount Plus app. Check for app updates in the App Store, iOS, Google Play Store, Android, or Smart TV App Store. If using a browser, update to the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. 5. Reinstall the Paramount Plus app. Uninstall the app from your device. Restart the device, then reinstall the app from the official App Store. Log back into Paramount Plus and check if the issue is resolved. 6. Try a different browser or device. If streaming on a browser, try switching to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If using a mobile device, switch to a smart TV, tablet, or laptop to test. 7. Disable VPN or ad blockers. VPNs and ad blockers can interfere with Paramount Plus streaming. Disable them temporarily and try accessing the service again. 8. Check Paramount Plus server status. If all troubleshooting fails, Paramount Plus servers may be down. Wait for official updates from Paramount Plus customer support. Contacting Paramount Plus support. If the issue persists, contact Paramount Plus customer service for further assistance. Provide details like device type, operating system, and troubleshooting steps tried. Error Code 3005 is usually fixable by clearing cache, updating the app, or checking internet stability. If problems persist, reinstalling the app or switching devices can help resolve the issue.